Hi guys, this is my new paper puppet. I made him, and he's gonna be in video saying he is the weirdest guy in the videos, just to let you know. And his eyes is weird. His name is Paper Jeffrey. Hi, who are you? What's that? Okay, so this is Jeffrey. This is a quick what he looks like. It's Jeffrey. So his Jeffrey it's not like Jeffrey because his name's spelled like this because he's a weirdo. That's why this thing was supposed to be his helmet. This is his teeth. This is his eyes. He's weird, so that's why his eyes should look like that. This mouth, tongue, the swan thing, whatever. And here's the hands. And then, here's the other one. Here's the pants. And the shoes. I didn't wanted to color the shoes. So, and then here's the back. So, yeah, and here there's 2 slots here. Then I put my hands in here so I can. So it's my new paper puppet. It's kind of actually my first one. My first puppet. My other ones is just plushie. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Why? Go Jeffrey.